Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another hair video over here. Before we get into the video, please do the most: subscribe, like, share, comment. Join the family. Okay guys, so yes, I'm going to be sleeking back my natural hair in today's video, and I'm going to be using the Rave Gelée from the previous hair review video, hair gel review video. I'm going to be using a detangling comb Denman brush. This time guys, I made sure to get a Denman brush because I wanted it more sleek, more smooth, more, everything that's more, nice. Just for it to look nicer. Yeah, and a spray bottle, hair oil, and a hairband. Okay, so I sectioned my hair into 4 sections, but then the sections were way too big. I ended up splitting the sections. So at the back, I already done it when I started the video, and guys, this was such a big job. Every single time when I had tie my hair up, because like the hair just became more and more and more, especially the puff at the back was just very hard to handle. I'm sure that I would have been able to tie it further if I had like used the Denman brush to its full capacity, but then I didn't do so because I was just skeptical because it was my first time using it to do so. Okay guys, the procedures: I first spray my hair with water and then oil my scalp and my ends, and then brush my hair with the Denman brush. Guys, like, because it was my first time, I didn't really want to brush my hair as much, but then I did make sure to sleek it. But I know I could have sleeked it even more, but then I just ended where I could, and it was such a big job though. It was a big job. The tying I find was the hardest part of everything, because that's where it determines whether your sleek is gonna have a bump or not. So I did try to get it together as much as I could. Yeah, I know some people, they add mini bands to just make sure that they don't have to loosen the back, but then I just couldn't do that because I don't know, I just wanted everything coming in one, not so many bands. Okay, so for the front, I ended up splitting the sections into much tinier sections because I had to shape my hair into the style I wanted. I wanted that front, that middle line. Yeah, so very first thing, I oil my ends, oil my scalp, and then spray my hair and detangle, and boom, I done this one side. Now I'm gonna just show you how I shaped this other side, and then for the other side I'll do it off camera. Yeah, so very first thing, yes, the oiling of the scalp, just to make sure that the flakes don't pop up. And oh my goodness guys, I'm so sorry for the lighting, I totally forgot. But then what happened was that the position of the mirror, it contrasted with the lighting from the windows. So, and like I couldn't go elsewhere because the lighting was even worse. So then I just decided, let me just do this. And my gel finished, that tiny one. So then I did get this 1 liter on the day, like just before the day, because I knew it was gonna finish. It was really little anyways. So in the front I did lots of gel because all that hair was supposed to be pushed back all the way. Yeah, and now I'm just shaping it the way I want, like with the curve and everything. And then the other side, I'm gonna do it off camera, and then you're gonna see how it looks like. Yeah, this is exactly how I did it. Making sure as smooth as possible, but having an edge control is much better for the flyaways, but I didn't have a edge control. But yes, this is the side, and now I'm gonna do the other side, do my edges, and then cover that up. So I covered up my hair in a satin scarf and then did my edges. I left it in for I think 10 minutes or something. I even went for a jog, came back, and voila, I did end up fixing my edges on the other side because they didn't look, yeah. They didn't look uniform, but then I ended up fixing my edges. And for accessories, I have a pearl clip that I tried to put in, but it didn't really look nice. it didn't go with everything for me, so I ended up putting 2 silver clips. Yo, I had to go outside for the reveal, guys. This looks so nice. I was so excited. Even that guy was just staring at me like, what the? Yes, the excitement for my hair. This came out nicer than I thought. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do the most, subscribe, like, share, and goodbye.